Writing Test Instructions. This writing test includes two separate tasks. You will have 27 minutes for Task 1 and 26 minutes for Task 2. Try to complete each task to the best of your ability within the time limits. Here is a model answer for the CELPIP Writing Task 1 email. You can pause the video now if you need more time to read the full answer. This email clearly addresses all 3 points from the prompt. For instance, it asks directly about the exact date and time of the fair and explains interest in a booth. The email is well organized with a clear greeting, an introduction stating the purpose, and separate paragraphs for each main point. The structure is clear and easy to follow, making it simple for the recipient to find all the necessary information quickly. The tone is polite and appropriate for writing to a community center coordinator. Notice how simple linking words like also and help connect ideas smoothly between sentences. The phrases "this information would help" and "we want to make sure" also create good flow. You can see a couple of slightly more advanced words used naturally, such as inquire and unique. These words show a wider vocabulary, but are still easy to understand for most intermediate learners. For beginners, remember to start your email by clearly stating why you are writing. This makes your email clear and efficient right from the beginning, setting a good foundation for the rest of your message. Here is a model answer for the CELPIP Writing Task 2. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. This response clearly states its choice for building a new public park. It then provides two main reasons to support this preference. For example, it explains that a park would significantly improve public health and well-being. The answer is well organized, starting with a clear introductory sentence that names the chosen option. The body paragraphs each discuss a distinct point, and there is a short, effective conclusion. The tone is semi-formal and polite, suitable for a survey response to the City Council. Notice how simple linking words such as firstly, secondly, and also help connect ideas smoothly. The phrase, "for these important reasons," is also useful for a clear conclusion. The writer uses the words beneficial, serene, and crucial, which are slightly more advanced vocabulary items that add quality to the writing without being difficult to understand. For your own writing, always start by clearly stating your preference in the first sentence. This helps the reader understand your main point immediately and sets a strong foundation for the rest of your explanation. Here's another model answer for the CELPIP Writing Task 2. You can pause the video now to read the full answer if you need more time. This response clearly selects the option of creating a new community center. It then gives two strong reasons to support this choice. For example, it explains that the center would provide valuable educational and recreational opportunities. The answer is well structured, beginning with a clear statement of the preferred option. Each of the main reasons is developed in its own paragraph, followed by a concise conclusion. The tone is suitable for a survey response, being polite and semi-formal. Pay attention to how linking words like firstly, secondly, and also help to organize the ideas effectively. The phrase "for these strong reasons" works well to signal the conclusion. The writer successfully includes slightly more advanced words like diverse, crucial, and beneficial. These words add richness to the vocabulary while still being clear for most readers. A useful tip for beginners is to use examples to support your points. This helps make your reasons more concrete and convincing to the reader.